Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be looking at your energy starting from 8th till 14th of November. In this video, we'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So take what resonates and leave the rest because this is going to be a general reading, alright? So it may or may not resonate with all of you. So now let's get started with your reading. For my Virgos, 8th till 14th of November 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Let's see. Virgos. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see. Back of the deck we have the Five of Pentacles, okay, so your overall energy is telling us that you are feeling a little bit of out of emotions. You know, you are feeling emotionless, or you could be feeling like there's lack of emotions around you. People around you are not behaving the way you are behaving towards them. You are feeling left out in the cold. You are not experiencing a very good time of yours at this particular time. In the past, we have Six of Wands, Queen of Wands, and the King of Cups. So this is definitely, you could be dealing with a person. You could be dealing with a Leo or a Scorpio. But there was a time when you were the one who were more loving towards a person or towards a situation. You were giving more efforts and more investment. Okay, this investment could be of emotions, and this investment could be of time and money, but definitely you were the one who was giving more to the other party than the other person to you. In the present, we have the Magician, Queen of Pentacles, and the Chariot. You have taken some charge. Okay, I feel that you are really at a position right now where you have taken a charge of the situation. It could be in relation with your work thing or with your love thing. So definitely, because you have seen how ruthless you were treated, and now you are taking charge of that situation. In the coming future, we have the Ten of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and the Seven of Pentacles. So this is telling me that although you are the one who was giving too much to the situation, but patience is the key. The more investment, because you have already given too much of time and investment in the situation, that you have to do nothing but you have to keep, and you have to wait for the things to happen by themselves. I see a lot of pentacles in your reading, so this could be involving a lot about money in your situation. If you are feeling that your money has been taken, or you are at a loss of something, if you will keep on waiting, you have, first of all, you have to work for that thing. You have to ask the person whom you have given this much of money to, and but you have to wait, because the patience is the key for you. Okay, so let's clarify your reading now. Tell me more about my Virgos, please. Virgos energy. Virgos, Five of Pentacles. Why Five of Pentacles is there in the overall energy for my Virgos? We have Ten of Wands, Nine of Wands, and Five of Swords. Wow. So you could be the one who was feeling a victim in the situation. There could be many people involved in the situation, and there was a lot of trickery and betrayal involved in the situation, and you feel that you have been blocked by this person, or a blocking of a situation in front of you. All of a sudden, all the doors have closed, and it's like a lot of responsibilities and a lot of tensions going around you on your head. So you are feeling that it's the end of everything now, and you are not able to get any positive vibe from anything around you. Okay, so let's see, what was the past situation? Why did the Six of Wands is here in the past? What exactly about the past situation? The Hierophant, Queen of Swords, and the Knight of Cups we have over here. Yeah, you could be married. You could be dealing, or you could be dealing with a married person with whom you were feeling that, okay, so this person is married, so what? But this person loves me a lot. You were feeling at that time that you are at the top of the world, but all of a sudden this person suddenly stopped talking to you because of the Knight of Cups energy which they have. You were dealing with a person who was not exactly which I told you in the start. They were not giving the same love and affection to you, the love and affection you were giving to them. This marriage, or you could be dealing with a married person, or you could be married to the same person, but this marriage or this situation never involved love. This was more about affection, this was more about attraction. I don't see any love thing from the other person's end, it's more about from your end. Tell me more about the Queen of Wands. I feel that they were dealing with somebody else with the Queen of Wands energy. This was like another lady or another man in their life with whom they had to work for, but they kind of were not able to give full attention to you as well as them at the same time. They were telling you that they will end the relationship with them. You felt that, okay, they are saying truth. You felt, always felt that they are the ones meant for you, they are the stable person for you, but at the end what they did was not good, and you felt they betrayed you. Tell me more about the Queen of Pentacles in the past, in the present energies. Queen of Pentacles in the present energies, please. The High Priestess, the Devil, and Two of Cups. I definitely feel that you at this time, you have taken, as I told you, that you have taken charge of the situation by yourself. Now you know that I have to manifest for my dreams. I have to work for my dreams. I cannot wait for any other person in my life to come and to show me to fulfill my dreams, because I have to work, and you have started working for them. For that thing, although you are still attracted to that person, but this is the Devil energy. It is more about the temporary energy with the person. You feel that they are your soulmate, but actually not, they are not your soulmate. This is more of just a lust kind of a situation. They are more close towards the other person with whom they are dealing with, and they have always told the lies to you. It's not the truth what they have told. Tell me more about the Page of Pentacles in the future energies for my Virgos. We have Temperance, Emperor, and King of Wands. Yeah. This is creating balance and taking authority of the situation you are in. Definitely, this is something which you are going towards. I don't see you going back to the same relationship. This is you going more towards something which we call loneliness, but actually not loneliness. This is more like a loneliness situation where you have to go towards, you have to take authority. You are being authoritative because you need to create balance of the situation. If you want to find happiness in the situation, you cannot find from the other person. It's always how you find, how you work on yourself to find the happiness which you want. Tell me more about the Seven of Pentacles. The Hanged Man, Three of Wands, and Seven of Wands. I feel that you are stopping all the giving of energies and giving of time, investing a lot of time and energies and money and love in the situation in which you are in. You are stopping that. You are working on yourself. You are defending yourself. You are not going to wait for this person anymore. I don't see that because of the Hangman energy. You are just hanging around with this person, and it's the end from your part because you have seen a lot from this person with the Ten of Swords and Ten of Wands and the Nine of Wands. It's a lot of rejections. Now you're not ready to take any more rejections from the same person again. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.